welcome back to my channel. I know, oh my god, I'm back, you guys. Well, I'm trying to be back. I have been uploading little videos here and there on Instagram, so if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me. I do upload a lot of my content on there. But yes, I'm trying to come back, you guys. I just recently got a new computer. I have not upgraded none of my equipment since 2014, you guys. It's crazy. I know, 10 years. But anyways, I did get a new computer. I'm trying to get motivated into getting more videos out there for you guys. So I'm going to start off with my moisturizer from paulaschoice, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Of course, you can never forget my milkmakeup primer. I love this primer. I have so many backups just to make sure that I have it because I would die without it. But yeah, then I'm going with the Pore from Benefit. One of the girls at Sephora suggested it. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't feel like it does anything, but yeah. Then I'm going with my esteelauder foundation. I don't know why, you guys, but this foundation looks orange. I don't even know what I was thinking, why I even let them introduce me to this color, but I ended up using this color for a while until I noticed in pictures I looked weird. So I had to go back and get color matched again, and I actually got a good color match this time. So I'm just using two concealers here, a pink one corrector and a color that matches my skin, just to kind of brighten up my under eyes, and it's not too crazy because I'm not really into bright under eyes, so I like to mix those two together. It's one from Anastasia and the other one is from Morphe. I will list everything down below for you guys if you guys are interested in the products that I'm using in this video. I also do upload on my Instagram if you guys are interested, and TikTok, but I'm more on Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram to watch what I be doing, because girl, I got me a Jeep and I've been doing Jeep things, and yeah. So then moving on, I'm gonna go with my blush from ColourPop. This is brand new. I love it. Look how beautiful it looks, you guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. They did come out with a bunch of new different colors, and I've been loving them. Some highlighter ones, Chef's Kiss, because they are so beautiful. But this color, my god, I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out with my beauty sponge. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and set under my eyes. I'm using this Cosas. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's a like pink powder to just kind of brighten a little bit my under eyes. So that's what I'm kind of doing, because I do not like to like overdo it, but I do like for you to see the contrast, like the light shade under my eyes a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set under my eyes with that, and then I'm gonna go with a translucent powder from IT Cosmetics and apply that all over my face. This one is amazing because it covers my pores. It makes me look like I'm photoshopped. I love it. You guys definitely should try this powder because it's chef's kiss. It's amazing. I love it. God forbid a girl wants to hide her pores. Anyways, then I'm gonna go with my NARS powder. I don't know why, if it's the camera or is it just the shades that I've been getting, but that looks too orange on me. Then I'm going with MAC's, I forgot the name of it, but I will list it down below for you guys. It's like a pinkish champagne color. I like to apply that on the highest points of my cheeks just to kind of give me that beautiful color. Then I'm going with the same bronzer and applying this onto my crease. I really haven't been doing eyeshadow. This is why I haven't been filming videos, because I honestly am not like doing the whole full face eyeshadow makeup looks anymore. I'm like so busy that I don't even, I'm so lucky that I even get to sit down and do my makeup once a week. I'm that busy. And then I'm applying my powder onto my lids just to give me like a little bit of coverage. Then I'm going with this palette. Oh my god, I think it's doseofcolors palette. I will list it down below for you guys. I don't even know why I didn't show it when I was recording this video, but it is so pretty. It's probably expired, but I really wanted to use it because I was feeling like I haven't done makeup or like eyeshadow in a long time. So I was like, you know what, I need to do something. So I did do like the lightest colors in the outer corner. Then I went with the darkest like plum shade and apply that onto my outer corner just to kind of give me a little bit of that, a little bit of smoky eye, but not overdoing it because sometimes I look like I got punched in the eye and I don't know. But this makeup look came out really nice. I'm glad that I was able to film it, so I wanted to share with you guys. I do have a bunch of videos that I need to edit and upload for you guys. It's just that I didn't have a computer to do that, and I had to edit everything on my phone, and it was just too overwhelming for me. But now I got myself a new computer, so I'm gonna be able to edit these videos for you guys. It might take me a little longer than I wanted to, but I will definitely get those videos. Let me know if you guys want any other videos. I can do a update on my life. Lots of things have been going on. I moved, a lot of things, new family members. It's just a lot has been going on. But anyways, I'm using this pencil. I believe it is from Morphe. I will look and post it for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to use that pencil, and then I'm using the NYX, like a lip cream, whatever that is. I didn't like the color, to be honest with you. I thought it was going to be a little bit more nude, but I didn't like it personally. The color was too pinkish. Then my camera died. Yep. So I used these three as my lip combos right here. The other one is a Too Faced one. I'll list down below, and that's what the lip color was. And I was like just telling you guys, yeah, I was recording and I thought I was recording and it was not recording. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on my other social medias. I will list them down below for you guys. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Love you. Bye.